Most people think you need thousands of dollars to make money with crypto. But what if I told you there are coins under 10 cents that could grow a lot in 2025? In this video, I will show you 5 cheap crypto coins with big potential. Number 5 is one you do not want to miss. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not giving financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. Let's start with the first coin. This is Little Pepe. Right now, it is trading under 10 cents. But the most exciting thing is its pre-sale. It already raised millions of dollars, and the community is growing faster every day. People are joining from all over the world, and everyone is talking about it. Analysts say this coin could grow more than 70 times in 2025. Imagine turning a very small investment into huge gains. Little Pepe is not just a meme coin. It has strong technology behind it, and many experts believe it could become the next big crypto trend. Keep a close eye on it, because this coin has the potential to go crazy. If you are looking for high-potential coins under 10 cents, Little Pepe is definitely one to watch. Coin number 2 is Kaspa. This coin is a technology-focused project, trading under 10 cents right now. Kaspa uses a very fast blockchain system, which makes transactions almost instant. Many experts are watching it closely because it could handle a lot of users as the crypto market grows. Analysts say Kaspa has the potential to reach $1 in 2025. That would be huge for early investors. This coin is more serious than meme coins, but it still has big growth potential. If you want a project with strong technology and a real chance to grow, Kaspa is one you cannot ignore. Keep this coin on your radar for the next year. The third coin is Cronos. Right now, it is trading under 10 cents, but it is backed by the Crypto.com ecosystem. That makes it very strong. Cronos is used in payments, DeFi, and staking, so it has real-world use. Many people are starting to notice it, and its adoption is growing every day. Analysts say Cronos could see big gains in 2025, which makes it one of the safer high-potential coins under 10 cents. If you want a coin with real utility and growth potential, Cronos is one to watch closely. Do not miss it, because this coin could surprise a lot of investors next year. Coin number 4 is Bonk. Right now, it is trading under 1 cent, but it is gaining huge attention because it runs on the Solana blockchain, which is very fast and cheap to use. Bonk is not just a meme coin. It has NFT and DeFi projects connected to it, which makes it more useful. People are joining the community every day, and the hype is growing. Analysts say Bonk could grow 4 to 8 times in 2025. That means even a small investment today could turn into big profits. If you want a coin with both fun and real potential, Bonk is one to watch closely. Keep this coin on your list, because many experts believe it could surprise everyone next year. The final coin is Pudgy Penguins. Right now, it is trading under 1 cent. It started as a popular NFT project, but now it also has a token with real use. The team is building games and other projects on the blockchain, which makes it more than just a collectible. People are excited because the community is strong and growing every day. Analysts say this coin could grow 10 times or more in 2025. That means even a small investment today could give huge returns. If you like coins with a fun story and real potential, Pudgy Penguins is one you should watch because it's one which has a long-time trend in foreign countries. Keep must check it because this coin surprised a lot of people at launch, and this is a good coin for long-term holding for big gain in future. Also, if you want to check more cheap coins, I made a video about the 10 cheapest coins under $1 that could grow in 2025. You can click the link in the I button or end of the video to watch that video, and find even more good options, and definitely tells you don't know about any coins that I mentioned in that video. That's it for today. Remember, even small investments can grow big, but always do your own research before investing. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss any updates on the best crypto opportunities. Thanks for watching, and keep an eye on these coins. They could surprise everyone next year.